Well, hello YouTube. So, red letter day, got the screen on and the DID O-Link, O-ring, gold 4 to 8 chain fitted. So, had a good day. So, what a day. Got the new windscreen fitted. And I thought, at 1 o'clock I thought, oh, I'll just ring Ray and just see if I can get the monkey booked in to have the chain fitted. And he said, it's perfect. He said, if you come now, if you can get down here for a sort of 1:45, he said, I've got nothing on this afternoon. And he said, in actual fact, I'm waiting for a load of parts to come in. And he said, and just doing a few bits and pieces around the workshop. So I dropped it off at 2 o'clock, and at 4:30 I'm riding it home. All done. And I actually got the chain for this bike last April. Anyway, he said when he did it, he actually had to take a link out of the DID, the 4 to 8 that I bought. He said quite often that's the case, and he said it was ready for changing anyway. He said because it was nearly on the back of its adjusters, it couldn't go any further back. And he said that little 420 chain, he said, you do really well, he said, if you get 2,500 to 3,000 miles out of them. He said, because he said the trouble with them is that they're not O-rings. They've got more in common with a bicycle chain. It's the same chain that fit on the Honda 50 and bikes like that. He said on the Honda 50 they're running, you know, they're running a sealed mudguard which has got oil in it. He said, and you really, he said, to make those 420s work properly, you've got to be always oiling them. Well, I don't think I oiled that chain twice in all the time I had it. I'm genuine, I don't think I did. Anyway, it's done, and the bike feels better for that. You can definitely feel there's something going on the back end here. That's it's more substantial. It's exactly the same as when I changed the chain on my 250. I did exactly the same swap, DID 4 to 8 on the Pulse 250. Yeah. So for now, that's all the job's done on both bikes. The only other thing I was proposing to do to this bike later on in the year when it goes for its service at Honda is I'm going to get them to put a Hagen upgraded spring and heavier fork oil in the front. It'll have to be done at Honda because I said to Ray about it and he said, oh, it'll be a Honda part, you know, tool. There'll be sort of maybe one per dealership or something daft like that. And he said they normally get them supplied straight from the factory. He said it'll be coded and all sorts. So yeah. I couldn't believe it. Normally when I walk down to Ray's it takes me 40 minutes. But I've lost all this weight and I did it in exactly 22 minutes. That's the fastest I've ever done it. And it's the second time today I've done the walk. It's just over a mile each way. He was saying that one of the problems with the chain, if I've already said this, I'll have to edit it out, but he said the big problem is the 420 chains get really hot. And he said, you know, going through these heat cycles does a lot of damage to them, causes a lot of wear, that kind of thing. He said that what's going on here? Whereas the 428 chain, it has O-rings. And it's as plain how much different it is. And I didn't realise it doesn't only come with the sprockets. It also comes with all the new bolts and washers. So it's quite a comprehensive kit. I can't remember off the top of my head what I paid for it. I'll have to have a look. See, hey, up there. Okay, so I need to get down on my hands and knees here, so otherwise I won't be able to get close enough. That is the new .428, and it's about as big again. And on the new sprocket, it doesn't have that silver ring that's spot welded on a chain, you know, to deflect the chain if it comes off. And you don't apparently need it with this one. And then, as you can see, look, I'm right forward again. I was right out here, so that back wheel wants cleaning. So yeah, been a really good day. I've really enjoyed playing with the bikes today. Today was a good day, and I think in here, I can't remember if I put them in or I didn't. No, I ain't got the old chain. I didn't want it, if I'm being honest. I had no need of it. It's still down at Ray's. What's the point of picking that up? So it's never going to get used again. Everything locked tight on, and they said after about 3 or 4 days, just get down there with your torque wrench again and just have a go at retorquing them. He said, because they will just ever so slightly loosen off, you know, possibility. As they say, they've been done with Loctite, but he said just as an insurance policy. But yeah, tickled pink with that. Bye for now. Ta-ta.